drop-down menu for experiment. You will see a drop-down menu when you click the three dots on the bottom right of the experiment you created. There are 7 options. Demo. You can move the equipment around, add node, use brush tools and change the settings, but you cannot edit the experiment. In certain modules, for instance, mechanic, you can also add elements or use side menu tool section to help you to demonstrate your experiments. You can exit the demo mode by clicking the arrow on the bottom left or press escape on your keyboard. Edit. You will go back to the experimental mode, and from there you can edit experiments. Copy. You can clone experiments. Move. You can move experiments to an assigned folder. Rename. You can rename the experiments. Delete. To delete the experiments, you can find deleted experiments in the recycle bin. From there, you can restore it if needed, or permanently delete it. Introduce. It shows the note you have recorded during the experiment. Have fun.